Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to find all your friends on Facebook. Whether you want to reconnect with old friends or simply browse through your entire friends list, we've got you covered. Let's get started with the easy steps. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch the Facebook application or visit the Facebook website in your browser. Step 2. From the left-hand side, click on Friends. You'll find this option in the menu, usually located below your profile picture. Step 3. Click on All Friends. By selecting this option, you'll be able to view all the friends that you have on Facebook. Step 4. Here, you can search for a specific friend if you want, or simply scroll through the list to view them all. Take your time to explore and connect with your friends. By following these steps, you can easily find all your friends on Facebook. Whether you're looking to catch up with old pals or stay connected with new ones. This feature will help you locate and interact with your entire friends list. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.